Hey, what's up, XRP holder? So what's going on? First of all, I have a good news for XRP holder, but I said then and I made end of this video. So let's get started the price prediction of XRP. But before I get started this brand video, I request you, my brother, please, if you are new on this channel, then subscribe this channel because this channel update you every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. So I hope you subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for subscription. Thank you so much for subscribing this channel. Thank you. Okay guys, so first of all I gonna show you the latest 2 hour result, then I gonna show you the last 1 day chart, then we decide to what we do. People ask me to sell, buy, what we do, and those days absolutely XRP going very fastly, and XRP cross $1. So congratulations, my brother. Absolutely, you can see here the price as and 1.11 US dollar as the USD. Absolutely 1.11 USD dollar as the latest price. You can see here absolutely mind-blowing result, my brother. If you can see here the chart result just in last 2 hours, this is absolutely mind-blowing changes. Plus 1.64% they going up, absolutely back jump, absolutely. And I hope they can starting this type jumping. I hope they cross $2 US. What you say, can they can cross it $2 US? So oh my goodness, absolutely mind-blowing crash result. You can see here absolutely they just crossed $1 US in a few days. Absolutely. So congratulations. This is our first dollar, and this is not last dollar. I hope it of coming days absolutely they cross it. It's a very fastly dollars, and they cross $5, $10. I hope at the mid of month they cross $5. What you say, can they can do it this absolutely like this type jumping at their tech, absolutely like a rocket gone, so they can easily cross it $2 to $5 US. What you say, can they cross it? If they cross it, then congratulations, brother. They make you a millionaire. They make you a millionaire. They can give you a good profit. So don't be sell, just hold it. And if you have any play, then absolutely it did, and those days absolutely good for buying. Absolutely buy it and absolutely hold it and wait for the end of month. And I hope they can give you $5 to $10 US. Oh my goodness, absolutely very fastest cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe this channel. If you need more this type of informative video, press the bell icon for videos notification.